to talk about a very important concept in stock analysis. It is called the price volume analysis. So what is price volume analysis? When you look at the word price, okay, so it refers to the price of the stock or an index, and then the volume, okay, so the volume of that particular stock or an index. So we are looking at, in fact, the relationship between these two. Okay, so there are four strands altogether. So the first strand is that you have a heavy volume with rising price. Okay, heavy volume with rising price. So it means when you have a rising price, okay, the price is rising steadily, and at the same time, the volume is also rising. Okay, the volume is rising together with the rising price. So it means, is it good or bad? It is good, okay, which is bullish. So it means bullish for this particular trend. Okay, and then the next one, light volume with rising price. So when you have a light volume with rising price, so what does that mean? Okay, let's take a look here. So the price is rising, okay, the price is rising. So initially you have a rising price with a rising volume, all right? Okay, so initially you have a rising price with a rising volume, which is good. Okay, however, up to a point, when you continue to have a rising price and you discover that your volume started to reduce, okay, you discover that how come this particular stock, the volume has gone down. So do you think this is a good sign or bad sign for this particular stock? When the price is still rising and then the volume is actually diminishing, so it means that there could be a trend reversal for this particular stock or an index. Okay, so very true enough, then you see that this stock price after a while, then it will go horizontal and then it will go down. Okay, so that means this particular up move is not supported by the volume. That means that people are actually not buying into this price. The price is getting higher and higher, and then less people are actually buying into this particular stock. And then very soon, the price will go for a reverse. Okay. Next, we look at the third trend, which is heavy volume with falling price. Okay, heavy volume with falling price. So take a look at this diagram. So now we are looking at this chart whereby you are looking at this stock having a falling price. The price is dropping. However, there is a heavy volume registering for this particular stock or the index. Okay, so that means what? That means when this price is falling, your volume started to pick up. So does that mean more people selling or less people selling in this case? You see, when the price is falling, but the volume is increasing. So it means, which is bad, okay, which is bearish. It means that there are more and more people selling this into this stock or the index. Okay, so it means it's a bearish trend for this particular stock or index. Next, we look at the next one, the light volume with falling price. So for light volume with falling price, we take a look at this chart here. Initially, when the price is dropping, you are having a rising volume. Okay, so that means more and more people selling it, and then there's a steep drop in the price. It means that more people selling it. However, up to a point, then you see that the volume start to reduce, diminishing. Okay, so as the price is dropping further, you see that the volume is getting lesser and lesser. So do you think this is a good sign or a bad sign for this particular stock? It means good sign because there are less people selling the stock. Okay, so you see that when you have less people selling this particular stock, very soon it could be you'll be looking at a bottom here, and then there will be a trend reversal. Okay, so when the trend started to pick up again, you'll see the volume started to pick up again. Okay, so that's why when you look at this price volume analysis, you study the price trend and also the volume trend as well, and then these two together will tell you what is going to happen next for this particular stock or index. Okay.